we end up at the bottom. And every time we do, it gets harder to climb our way back. Is it a vicious cycle of hardship? A road that leads to one place for everyone? A fight for control or lack thereof? What if I give up the control? What if I get up just one more time? Is there something more life could show me? Is there truly magic in this life, contrary to the harsh realities we face? There has to be something to give us hope again. Humanity can be stubborn sometimes and miss the things that are right in front of us. The joy, the laughter, the easy fix that you thought was dreadful, the little moments that turned out to be big moments. Your life is worth living, and there is hope. The life that we all want is on the other side of the work that we're avoiding, whatever form of work that may be.
Honey, I think we fixed it. I think we nailed it. Woo! You joined me in my TT on the highway, finally driving, and it took so much to get here. But where I'm driving to is more important. We are heading to the dyno to get dyno tuned. Yes, I am so excited, so nervous at the same time because we just put this car back together and it's great. It's brilliant. I mean, it took a lot of extra work to get here because after episode 3, I ended up having a rear main seal leak. So I had to pull the transmission back off. That means subframe out, transmission off, redo the rear main seal. I had a couple coolant leaks I had to fix. I had a power steering leak I had to fix. But now that it's all situated, we are in good running condition. Everything is in fantastic shape. I've put 530 miles on this clutch just as some break-in miles. I can't believe I'm here. This has been 2 years in the making. And I cannot believe I'm on the highway driving an hour and a half out to go get dyno tuned. This is insane. I cannot wait to see the before and after. because we're gonna have before runs and after runs, and man, do I hope nothing breaks. Now, I know I said that this car was running the exact same, and that's because it was misfiring on cylinder 4 yet again. I was like, what is going on? Diagnosis was inconclusive, like I could not figure out what was going on. But then I did. I sent the head off to a machine shop to get looked over. And as it turns out, I had 2 bent valves and a missing spring seat. I don't know how that happens. I'm assuming it was from the previous machine shop because I took it to a different machine shop this time. I'm assuming it's from the previous machine shop and maybe some error on my part with timing. I really don't know how those valves got bent, but there were 2 bent valves, intake valves. So, I don't know. Replaced them with a couple of 2 new SuperTech ones and we're good to go. It runs fantastic now. So that was my issue all along, and I cannot believe that. Like, that's insane to me that that was my issue this whole time, were 2 bent valves that I had nothing to do with, I don't think. I mean, it could have been me, but I don't remember screwing up the timing that badly. Like, I'd say, like, worst case scenario, I was a tooth out, maybe, but I rotated it by hand many times, and I don't know what happened, genuinely. I don't know if it was the machine shop, because I don't want to just, like, put blame on them when it could have been me, but I don't know. I know the missing spring seat was definitely not me. So that was definitely them. But we're all good now. I don't care. The car's running great. It's driving all the way an hour and a half out to get dyno tuned. I'm so excited, but so nervous at the same time. I hope nothing breaks. I hope we have some good runs, and then I drive it home okay. But I'll see you guys at Wonder Tuning. I won't be original with that then. I won't call him Stevie Wonder. Okay, Steve, run me through what we're doing. What are we starting with?
All right, so we have 2001 Audi TT, all-wheel drive. Got a KO4 stock fuel system on there. So we're gonna do a baseline run, just to make sure everything looks good. Fuel trims, fuel pressure, you know, boost control, things like that, because the car was just freshly rebuilt. Put a lot of work into it, so we wanna make sure we take care of it. So we'll do a baseline, little, you know, like 3rd gear partial, review the data, and then we'll go from there, do a full rip and see what it makes.
What do you think I'm gonna make?
We will wait and see.
We'll wait and see. Is that you're gonna guess? All right. Nope. Okay, let's do it. Here we go. I'm thinking 195 for stock. 195 and somewhere around the 200 mark for torque.
Yeah?
That's what I'm guessing. It's just a guess.
Okay. Let's hope. We'll see.
Let's go for it, baby. Let's go. That sounded so good. That sounded so good.
It sounds insane.
It sounds really good. I'm so excited. First pull, it did pretty good, I think. Nothing went boom boom. Huh?
It didn't blow up.
Yeah, it didn't blow up. We're good.
How you feeling?
What's that?
How you feeling?
Well, still a little nervous, but she's doing okay. I have faith. I have immense faith in this car right now. I don't know why. Just some, you know, it's just working. It's just,
Yeah.
I'm ready. I can't wait to see what we make. Like stock versus now.
Yeah, yeah.
I hope my guesstimate was like kind of on.
We'll find out.
Yes, we will. Stephen Wonder, dyno tuning. He's the man.
A dynograph is supposed to have smoother inclining lines, and the dips from this run indicated a huge issue. After talking to the boys, Nelson, the shop owner, and Steven, they gave me bad news, keeping us from continuing any further.
Yeah, so there's some clutch slip
Good, on the brand new clutch.
on the brand new clutch that just got broken in properly too.
Yeah. Is slipping.
Is slipping.
With the brand new master and slave
Oh yeah, all
and
that,
throw
yeah.
out and
Oh yeah.
everything's brand new.
Everything's brand new, yeah.
Yeah, and it's slipping.
Yeah, it's slipping. Yeah.
What the ACS? What the
Yeah.
You were more gentle on your clutch than my clutch was prior to my ownership and in my ownership.
Yeah. Makes me wonder if yours is slipping, but I doubt it actually because it's a different clutch itself.
Yeah.
So this disc
It's a
just
different
might
style.
not. Yeah. This disc just might not be having it.
So what are we gonna do? Contact ECS and go, you guys are dropping the subframe and you're doing it
Yeah,
because we
yeah,
did
right.
this twice already.
Even though it didn't seem to faze me at the time, this one really hit me hard. Harder than I thought it would. That was a silent ride home. Now I know this isn't how any of us anticipated this would go, or maybe some of you did. The truth kind of sneaks up on you, huh? Okay, so maybe life doesn't always live up to the movies, and a happy ending isn't always in the cards. But is it really missing that magic? Well, that's just the thing, isn't it? We all collectively create the magic. We have to become what we want to see in this life. Become better, do better, and make a conscious effort to own our mistakes and put love into the world, especially when we can't see any around. Some things are out of our control, but we can still attempt to control ourselves. Now, I know life can be extremely difficult sometimes, and daunting even, you know. It forces us to stop and sit with ourselves in silence. But maybe that's the best time to create the magic, when there's none around. Or maybe the magic was right in front of us all along. It really is a life worth living, isn't it?